Menteri katana jung okai ka jala uba polling do ulaong banyo ya ka visa banlet shakari Israel Amerika bat kiri Europe kadeka kam ka Jwat Tasam Hynrei ka jingkalipat balik ki Briew ki kwa Beit banlet shakite kiri habakaran halor ka jinon kam ka inaline permit uba pol ulaong baki don kiri ki ba klem khang ya ki jing khang ban room ki Briew Hynrei ki Briew kim tre banlet namar bakam don ka jingkring ya ki ha kam jung okai kadba ka Israel ka badan Beit hapdeng ka jingya huri hura Hynrei ki Briew ki kwa banet jungo shakani kari. Ulaong baka sorkar jala kala dep menjur ke jinon kam banwan ra ya ka ILP ha usnem arja khat khandai ha jala bat kadon menta ha kamit jangka sorkar India.
I keep telling you this that obtaining a visa to Israel is a very cumbersome task. Getting a visa to Europe and the United States is again a very difficult task. But these are countries and continents that attract the maximum number of tourists. Therefore, you can have a country with open borders, which people can cross illegally. But there is no tourism sector in such countries. And Israel, with all the wars and the violence and the difficulty of entry, yet it attracts thousands upon thousands of tourists.
But not like this is about visiting the same state.
No, what's your point?
I'm like,
This is a long-standing matter that has engaged the attention of the government, and you will also recall that the State Assembly has in fact adopted a resolution to the effect that the ILP should be implemented. So I think this will figure prominently in the discussions with the NGOs, because we have to fight in tandem. It should not be government of Meghalaya versus NGOs of Meghalaya. Rather, it should be government of Meghalaya and the NGOs of Meghalaya in tandem, working towards finding a lasting solution and to take the resolution adopted by the State Assembly to its logical end.